Yo, what's going on, everybody? Man, just me and Gary, Affluent Mortgage, out here at the Chancery Market. I think that's what it's called.
You got it.
Just, I hope I got that right because we gonna tag him and they gonna be like, y'all didn't get our name right. But
The Chancery Market.
Chancery
Wilmington.
Market.
Yeah.
Nice little spot, man. Indoor, outdoor, food. Come out, get yourself some drinks, and we about to eat after we shoot this video. But just wanted to come out and touch base with y'all. Haven't talked to our folks in a while. It's been a minute.
Yeah. And I think it's good to see the both of us actually together. I know that he does his content, I do mine, and I know people like, yo, do you guys actually work with each other?
Yeah, all the
time. Like, you know what? Let's kind of show you guys where we have lunch sometimes, and then I guess introducing the actual company itself.
Yeah.
So that's what we're here. So yeah, man. So I guess I asked the first question. So I know that number one, me and Lester, we've known each other for a couple of years, and we had a chance to work together at a couple of different lenders. And at a certain point, we decided to put together a company by the name of Affluent Mortgage. So I asked Lester, man, so what made you want to become a broker?
I mean, after years of the broker slander that we got on the retail side, everybody telling you it's the worst place to be, and that you didn't want to do it and stay away. We really started to do research and start to see the opportunities that we were able to give to people that look like us.
Right.
Basically, being able to go out, market the way we wanted to market to the people that we wanted to market to, and kind of be that bridge to home ownership to people who look like us, because this industry is very, it's dominated by people who don't necessarily look like us. So just giving people that look like, have our skin tone, have our needs, the opportunity to go somewhere and talk to someone who looks like them, speaks their language, understands their plight, and just more flexibility. I mean, outside of being able to give us the flexibility to work with people or work with lenders that touch on any situation from a mortgage perspective. So commercial, investor, first-time home buyer, veterans, USDA, anything that you could want to do mortgage related. It just gave us the opportunity to open it up and bring everything full circle for us. So we got a lot of training on the retail side, and figured we wanted to bring that over to the broker side and see how we could, combine the two.
Yep.
And how about you?
I think you pretty much summed it up, man. We had an opportunity to work hard on the retail side, and I kind of thought of, we use that as a way to train ourselves, to get really good training, definitely on the retail side, because it's more like a corporate America type of situation. And I just wanted more. I wanted to have the flexibility to work with my clients the way I want to work with them, and not always having to ask permission. You know what I'm saying? And I'm not sure about you, that's to drive me crazy. It's like, if I want to do an event, we got to get permission. You know what I'm saying? We got to get everyone to sign off on that from, on the compliance side, and I get that. But there are certain times when I just want to make a call, and without having to ask, my lender, can I promote my business the way I wanted to? And I know we kept running into that quite a bit. And the other thing is just having the flexibility to pivot, to different type of products that's out there that we hear all about, but we can't do it ourselves because that particular lender didn't have that. And just the way the lender actually working themselves. I found that there were times where if they was going in a different direction and we didn't 100% agree with that direction, there was nothing we could do there. You know what I mean? So the only option you would have is you have to get a job at another lender. And then what happens from there, which it sucks big time, pause, is we got to send out this email, make all these phone calls, let all the realtors know that we changing companies and stuff like that. And at a certain point, we got tired of doing that. So me and Lester kept having conversations about what we can do to make that change. So he brought it to my attention, I brought it to his, and eventually was like, you know what, it's time to make that move.
Thanks.
So we just took it from there.
So what are some of the differences you see retail versus broker? Or why should someone choose a broker over, a bank or a mortgage company and, those type of things that they're used to?
Man, I'll say speed. And that's like one of the misconceptions, because we was on the retail side, so we used to always hear the brokers, they don't have control over the transaction.
Right.
They got to ask all these different questions to get permission. That is so far away from the truth. So I want to say the speed, the tech stack, meaning the software that they use, as far as the LOS would be our operating system that we use for our lending. Just different software that we use. It, to me, is like state of the art. Everything that we use now is what do you call it? Not software, but I'm about to edit this part out. That's cloud-based. I'm gonna start the part again. The other part is just having software that's cloud-based. So I can use my cell phone, I can use a tablet, I can use my laptop. I'm not locked into just being in front of a desktop for me to work with the client. And I like those things. And then just having options to use different systems, because when you work retail, you're kind of locked into whatever they use. That's the only option that you have. And now me and Lester have the capabilities of choosing what we want to use. And the way we came up with the different ideas is based upon what works better for realtors, what works better for our clients. So we structured everything to really help our clients and our business partners to make sure that things are just a lot easier for them and it's streamlined. How about you?
Yeah, for me, I would say the rates and the ease of which we can get in and out of different type of rates with different lenders, whether we go borrower paid or lender paid, which allows us to kind of pass those savings on to the borrower, right. Depending on what their situation is. Also, the ability to tailor their mortgage product to their needs. So it doesn't really matter what the need is. We can find a lender that works with them specifically. So if you have, right. Low credit, or if you have a low down payment, or if you want to, you don't want to show your tax returns, or whatever the situation is, we can find a lender that fits the need. Whereas if you're in retail, you're kind of stuck with what they have, or you have to try to petition them to go find it, and they're going to want to know how much, how much business are you going to do? Like, man, I'm trying to close this one loan, man. Right. I don't know how many of these I'm going to get. I just got one right now. Right. So it's like, right now we can just find a lender, or use a lot of the lenders that we work with. They actually work with a bunch of different loan products. So you're not even having to stray that far. At right. that point, you're looking at what financially is the best fit for the client, because right. most lenders, from what I'm saying, are offering a lot of the different same stuff. So right. Just the flexibility to kind of get in and out. If one lender says no, doesn't mean that your file's going to be declined. I can just take you somewhere else to someone who might say yes. So right. if you go to your bank, they say no, you're pretty much done. You got to go to another bank or another mortgage company. We can do that behind the scenes without you even knowing, until you get the new disclosures that we sent you somewhere else. Obviously, we're going to have a conversation, right. but it's seamless in the way that we can move from lender to lender to kind of suit your needs.
Because even if we don't have that lender, yep. We could go out and make sure we sign up for, and that takes like not even a full day. Right. And we're in business. Yep. Yeah, I like that. I'm glad you brought that up. So why, it's my turn, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So how did we come up with the name Affluent? Do you remember?
Yeah, I think we did a whole bunch of lists, synonyms.
And a lot of the names are trash.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah. So we were just trying to find something that conveyed, what we were trying to give to our clients. So a lot of our clients, it doesn't matter where your background is or, your financial situation. We want it to be an experience where you feel like family. You feel like the technology that you're working with is top of the line. So you're not working with, janky software, or you can't do this or you can't do that. Like, our software does a lot of the work for us, and it makes it easy for the client. So to me, that is the affluent lifestyle. From closing gifts and, a lot of different things that we're trying to roll out to help our realtor partners. So just wanted something that fit our name, or not our name, fit our, the vision that we have for the company.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I remember that day, man.
Yeah.
I remember like it was yesterday. I was actually outside on the grill. I'm not sure you remember that night.
No.
And
I got a horrible memory, so don't hold that against me.
I'll fill you guys in.
Yeah.
So like we said, we had a list and was lining through. And Les was like, he was marking out like majority of the ones I came up with. But I was going down that list, man. I was out in the back and I was on the grill. And I just looking at the list, and when I saw Affluent, I'm like, I don't know what it is, man, but I'm feeling it. I really like that name, and it's not overly used, you know what I'm saying? And then plus, what the meaning of affluent, and that's what really drew me into it. And I called Les. I'm like, yo, man, I think we got it. And Les, he don't put up a fight anyway. He's like, all right, that's dope. Let's go with it. And that's how we came up with Affluent, man. And I'm glad we did. And then we worked on coming up with a concept of the actual logo itself. And that's when I'm like, yo, this is it. Yeah, this is it. And I don't think we ever questioned the name of the company yet. So I'm glad we did that.
Or the logo.
Yeah.
Everybody loves it, no matter where we are. People love it. And yeah, we just
the logo is dope.
Yeah,
I don't even gotta ask you. I know it's dope.
Right.
So.
Right. Y'all want some merch? We're gonna get y'all some merch, man. Y'all can rock the Affluent brand for sure.
That affluent lifestyle, man. And that's why what we try to promote, as well as that's what we see with our clients. That's what we see with our business partners, everyone that we work with. We just know that we're all promoting that affluent lifestyle. So that's what we're here to do, man. So you got the next question?
Oh man, I don't think I have any more questions, man. What's some of the stuff that we're working on to roll out here in the next, 6 months or so?
So the
without giving it all away to the competitors.
Yeah.
Our haters, our ops. We don't want to give it away. Our mortgage ops is gonna be trying to steal our deets.
Well, I know one thing, me and Les, we just got back from Detroit 2 weeks ago, and I'm glad that we had a chance to mingle with other brokers, other real estate agents, and number one, we said that we have to do a better job with our content, so that's why we're here today. So definitely working on the content, so you should start to see a lot more of that, a lot more seminars, and a lot more us working with the community. But outside of that, a direct marketing strategy that we're looking to do is we wanted to find out what can we do for our clients, what can we do for real estate agents to help to drum up business. And one thing we came up with was a concept. Well, how much can I say?
What are we talking about? What part of it?
About the credits.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Throw that out there.
All right, cool. So we're thinking about for the second quarter is giving the client credit for not the home inspection, the home warranty.
Home warranty.
So the home warranty and the appraisal. So giving you money back for the appraisal that you spent, because that's all a part of closing costs. And we feel as though that the home warranty is definitely needed. And you don't see it like you used to. So we're going to start off with that and see how that goes. You know what I mean? So we think that'll be definitely beneficial for our real estate agents, definitely beneficial for the clients, but making sure that we're giving you credit with something that you can actually see. Because a lot of times we may give lender credit, but you're like, yo, what is this for? I mean, I didn't know that I need processing. I didn't realize I needed to pay for taxes or the escrows and stuff like that. So we're going to start off with that. So that's one thing. How about what you got? Yeah,
so we're also working on some things to give back to our realtor. So we're piecing it together, but we want to be able to help you guys with your content so that you can get that information and become more visible in your social media, because we can do our social media, but that's not going to help you. So we're working on some things to help you guys with your content so that you'll be able to come in, get your content, roll out, and actually put that up and get it rolling so that you can be more visible and touch more clients without you actually having to do all the work of yourself, phone calls and all that. Obviously, we know we have to do that, but it's another tool in the tool bag to help you leverage the opportunity to reach more people that you necessarily don't even know is out there for you. So that's on the horizon. It's coming soon.
That's right. So if you want to get interviewed, and we need to interview all you guys, let's start off with this platform. And what we're planning on doing is, like I said, recording the video so we can put it on YouTube, give you the footage too, so you can put it on your social media, so your IG, your TikTok, whatever social media platform you use.
We won't be doing no dances.
No dances.
No dancing.
No dances.
We might have some music. I mean, if you want to put music, put music in the background. I know we got music. I don't know if you guys can hear it. We'll have to see on the edit. But yeah, I mean, just content is crucial, and we want to be able to help you guys create more content so that you can be more visible in social media world.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So.
And we're working on some things, but we keep our clients in mind. We keep the realtors in mind. We keep the builders in mind. So everything that we do is all for our clients and for you guys. If you're realtors and you're watching this, let me see. Next question. So,
These are questions I don't know what you're going to ask.
Up as we go.
I have no idea, and that's how I like it. So whatever, shoot them one out.
All right, so I got you. So away from mortgages and real estate, away from all of that, we didn't get a chance to even introduce ourselves, our personal selves. So tell us about, do you have any kids? You know, what do you do for hobbies? Let's learn a little bit more about Lester.
Oh man, so Lester, I have 3 kids. They're damn near grown at this point, so I'm almost done my journey. Not looking to start over. I mean, I'm pretty much a homebody. What I do love to do is I love to eat. I play sports, play basketball, try to get out there and play some football. I haven't played this year, but I may be old, but y'all don't want to see me on the football field.
Yeah.
Y'all might get me in basketball, but I promise you, I'm nice in football. I do a podcast outside of mortgages. That kind of helps me open up a different side of, the professional side. I'm very unprofessional over there.
Yeah.
So, y'all can inbox me and ask me the link and I'll give it to you. I ain't gonna promote it here, but yeah, man, just naps. I love
you
naps.
love naps.
Naps is like my favorite. It's nothing better than a nap. I don't know anybody trying to tell you naps and food.
Right.
You know, and shopping. Oh yeah, shopping is probably when I have money. When I got money, I got money, it's going to go to something that I shouldn't probably be spending it on. But you got to treat yourself every once in a while.
And that's one of the first things I noticed about Les when we met. We used to work for a company called Copia, and he was dressed, man.
Yeah,
he was dressed. I was impressed, with the skills. Now we dress down today, but I mean that's realistic. These days after COVID, man, we come like this. I got the pandas on today. You know what I'm saying? But we may be wearing a suit. We may be wearing shorts, tank top, flip flops.
You never know.
It all depends, but that's cool.
What about you?
Yeah, me, married. Nancy is my wife. I have 3 kids. Well, I agree with you. It even sounds weird saying kids.
Yeah.
But technically they're children. So I had someone to correct me one time.
Yeah.
It said it's not kids are animals. It's not.
Oh.
I'm like, okay.
Mind your business.
Yeah. So every time I say that, I think about that. But so I have 3 children. Raven, she lives down in Florida. She's definitely an adult. She have a child herself. I have 2 sons. Jaden, he's 18, and Mason, he's about to be 12. He's about to turn 12 years old, and he's trying to start to do his little content as well. So we'll be on the lookout for that. But yeah, man, I just love being a dad. Just love spending time with my family for sure. Love to travel, you know what I mean? Trying to get this dude to start traveling a little bit more, get him out of the country. But
I'm good.
Do a lot of traveling, as far as hobbies. Keeping myself at the gym is big with me. I like to work out, cycle. I started cycling about 4 years ago. So you'll see me out on the road every now and then. I got a group, we ride with each other, whatever. But cycling, just picked up golf. You got golf clubs.
I got golf clubs, but they don't get used.
They're gonna be used this year. We're gonna definitely gotta get better. So it's fun out down the golf course. So golfing. Honestly, man, just it's funny. It seems like photography and trying to get into will be my new hobby. I got all the equipment. Now we're trying to learn how to use all this stuff. So, but that's it, man. So yeah, so just traveling, cycling, golf now, and just spending time with my family and friends for sure. Hanging out with this dude all day, you know what I mean? So yeah, as you can see with the chemistry, man, it's not a situation where I hate going to work. You know what I mean? We have a good time. You know what I'm saying? So if we're not in the same office, we're on the phone with each other, we texting. You know what I'm saying? So it's just a good vibe. And we're not 100% the same. And that's, to me, I think that's a good marriage. You know, certain things I'm strong on, certain things he's strong on, certain things I'm weak on. He's, you know what I'm saying, a lot stronger than me on those areas. But we try to keep this thing going. But yeah, man. So that's it. Just running this company, Affluent, along with Lester. You know what I'm saying? And just that's it, man. Yeah. Just enjoying life. That's it. Oh, shouts out to my church too, Seeds of Greatness. You know, I definitely like to worship and spending time with my church family as well. So, but that's it. Yeah, we definitely like to eat, and we're gonna try to get a lot of content with that too. So, Lester came up with that the other week, and I'm like, you know what? That's a great idea. So, we're gonna give you more content going forward. We promise you. You know what I mean? So you can see what we're doing behind the scenes, but not even on the real estate side. So we'll trying to think of something we can do to show what we're doing on mortgage end behind the scenes. So it's not the sexiest thing in the world, but it's a lot that goes behind the scenes that allows someone to be able to purchase a house or buy real estate investment. So real estate investment. So we'll be showing you that as well. But other than that, man, I do want to add what we do with Affluent. So I know we're brokerage, and we're not trying to do everything, but right now we spend a lot of time working with veterans, real estate investors, first-time home buyers. We still have that, and move-up buyers too. So if you own a home, you're looking to purchase that new property, we have a lot of products and programs for you to do something like that. But yeah, we're not a one-stop. I mean, we are a one-stop shop to a certain degree, but we want to really focus on those areas. Those are niche products. So if you have any questions about how can I qualify for real estate investing, how can I qualify to purchase that upgraded home, if you're looking to get into fix and flip, we have some options for you there as well. Hard money, if you want to purchase a property and we're just using like bank statements, or the new thing that we're doing now is called the DSCR loan. So the debt service coverage ratio. So that's will allow a real estate investor to purchase a property and placing that into an LLC. That's like the new thing everyone is doing now. And we know how to do that. We do that all the time. So showing you guys how to do that, or if you're a real estate agent and you have clients that's looking to get into real estate investing, or that are veterans or first-time home buyers, give us a shot, man. We're that's what we built this company for you guys, and that's what we're here to do. What you got, Les?
Bye, guys.
Yeah.
Thank Gary.
Hey, guys.
Gary covered it all. I mean, love to speak to you and your clients. You know, if you have any questions, call us, text us. We'll throw our numbers at the bottom. And I think the best way to get the information is to ask a question, and let us kind of answer it or come up with a scenario, because you might be thinking something can go one way, and we may say, you might want to look at it this way.
For sure.
So that's kind of one of the things I would just say. Just pick up the phone or shoot a text, and we'll kind of take the ball from there, and you can be out selling more real estate. So
absolutely.
Just reach out and we'll be in touch.
This is a movement, baby. This is a movement. This is all about that affluent lifestyle. Mm-hmm. And we want you to be a part of it. So this is only the beginning. This is we just hit our anniversary in January. So we are on year 2. We're excited about working with all of you guys. And yeah, man, let us know what ways we can help out. If you need us to come in and speak to your brokerage, we're willing to do that. Zoom calls, we're willing to do that. If you got clients that don't feel comfortable coming to the office, let's get this Zoom call going. Or if you have some ideas about reaching out to real estate investors or reaching out to your clients in the masses, let's schedule a call and we could make it happen.
Yeah. Also events, or you need somebody to show up at your open house, film the open house, or just be there with you for safety reasons. Something that we love to do as well. So just want to be there for for our clients and our referral partners, and see what we can take this. See where we can take it in 24.
Right. All right. My stomach is growling.
Yeah, I'm about to
It's time
grab some grub. Enough of this talking.
All right, guys.
All right.
Peace.
Later.